man, I almost didn't even make it up. I'm so glad I made it up here, man, because, oh yeah, your boy got air. I'm out here, summertime, let's do it. AC, let's do it. Man, y'all pull up, man. But there's no automotive. What's it, 1807 Rancier? 1807 Rancier, that's his address, right? 1807? 1807 Rancier, man, pull up. They getting you together. If y'all, hey, if you in Texas, you know what's going on, man. It's all, we done had 90s already though, for real though. So y'all know what's up. I'm on too. My boy got me in the game. It's popping. What's poppin'? It's KG Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. We going up every day, and if you ain't like this, subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump. You know what I'm saying? See what's going on up here today. Check it out one time. So they got some more cars up here. They doing to this 300. L truck, so here somewhere.
Coming this way, they're coming for you.
Where the volume at? Oh. They ain't even us, man.
Nigga, you see Colleen right there.
Wait. This rain right here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tomorrow sometime. We might get an hour worth of rain. They barely grazed us, man.
No, that's today.
I should have washed my truck.
Why is it?
I'm gonna look at my radar.
I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna pull it around the back. You do it how you had. I want that shine you had.
Watch that joint.
Oh, it's coming right at us, dude.
No,
But the thing he just showed me though, it touched it for a half a second.
That's because it brings it all the way to current. Yeah, this whole fucking storm is coming right at us. That's
Oh,
gonna
okay.
nail
I believe it.
us.
Hey.
Yeah, it only goes up to what time it is right now. Like 12:15 it stops, but it's coming.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna rain, rain, rain.
And you say you're gonna get a rush at that time. That's what they like to do.
I don't know, man. Probably not.
That's what they like to do, man.
We got plenty of something, but I'm here watching.
You said the rain coming already.
You said you gonna watch. You said ain't nothing coming.
I probably just throw some soap on there and let it
Go ahead, look at the cloud. It look beautiful. Ain't nothing gonna open up. Ain't nothing gonna open up.
I so just said it too, man.
So you put water on it. They're only gonna open up.
I was so just in the back. I'm trying to pop the top. I got all these. I probably at least get the bird poop up off the back. It look clean until you get up on it, though. You get up on it, you be like, what the? Yeah, man. Out there boating. Look at this, man. Man, I'm out here bad, man.
Shit, you ain't bad.
I'm out here bad for real.
Man,
Then I just noticed this too, though. My thing came off. So these, when I originally got the truck, had a black cover on here, and it looked like it got hot and bubbled this off, so the black cover came off. But this one right here ain't even know. I just noticed this today that the thing that came off, so I gotta get.
2 months ago.
Yep.
We do one now.
Cause they're gonna be different, probably. I think it was aftermarket anyway. That's why I had an issue trying to even get them. So I don't know. I just go to the junk. I don't know if the junkyard about to go or go to AutoZone or something. They got them. Who's that right there? That was a customer or something? That's crazy. We didn't have bad weather, hail, everything, every day. We started getting something. But man, I need it bad, man. I've been waiting on it. Straight up. I've been waiting on it, man. That bird, that thing been on there probably a week. I'm probably just Windexed it or something. 99. Yeah. I was thinking this car was dirty, but it might supposed to be this color. I was thinking like it was like sun beat white, but it most definitely probably supposed to be cream. Joints back there. Slide in, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. But that's not automotive. Yo, I'm probably bust me. Yo, I feel it right now. I can feel the rain. A little drizzle right now. We got probably about another what? Hour, 2 hours. We'll get a little bit of water for sure. Let's see. Eric said he gonna be here, man. Fidesz Automotive gonna be here. So if y'all in that rain, y'all most definitely can come tap in, man. You know what I'm saying? He gonna be open for sure. I'm probably finna slide over to the other barbershop now, man. Complete this round. You know, get this video dropped before this rain drop. For sure. What you got? Doorman. And that's black or chrome?
Yeah.
And it's gonna just lock right in there, or I gotta put blue or something on it?
Nah, you're gonna put it in there. You're gonna go in and you put to turn it, because it's gonna have a slide like this. Once you turn it, get in that slide, turn it.
They got that across the street right now?
This is,
Wherever they get in the yard, dude.
AutoZone got that one great. Then they got that on the left and the right. I think that was probably the original one.
That's my thing though. We wouldn't even know original on here. But yeah, that's a quick fix though. And it wouldn't cost nothing, so that's cool though. Make that happen. If they had it across the street, I'd go get it right now. That's auto. Pull it around the back, man. Let them go and check it out real quick. Because it did have some milky transmission at one time. And I want to make sure that the issue was fixed. Where you want me to park at? You want me to go over? You want me to kill it?
No, leave it on it.
All right.
AC on.
I'll turn it on now though. Trying to make sure we got some good blowing AC before it get crazy out here. Y'all know this crazy weather. Look for the roll this window up. Make sure this air blowing, man. It's on high. Okay, I was about to say, I don't even feel it blowing up here. Can you feel it blowing? A little bit, maybe. This one right here I can feel very little. Check it out if you get in there. Is the defrost button pushed?
Door ain't moving.
The actuator like to let the air blow.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. But it blew before, but it ain't. It ain't doing nothing right now.
No, it's AC though, but it's not. That's what it's not moving.
Man, I took it outside on one of them real hot days when I thought I had air and it wasn't doing nothing. But on them days like today where I really don't need air, it was blowing just enough to make me think I had it going on. But shit, it ain't enough to pull you off. I don't know, 90. Yeah. Wiring problem up front? Oh, they ain't got it. Let me see. What he's saying? What he's saying? Not connected right? Oh, okay. It's definitely too hot down here to not have no air. Yeah, it's blowing out the defrost. I feel it right here. Yup. And it's not blowing right here. Wow. Let's see. If it's blowing in the other ones. I can barely feel nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. But I can feel it right here. So it's not blowing right there. That's why I'm not feeling the air. I can't feel it in none of these vents here, but I can feel it on that side over there. So,
Alright, love you, bud.
yeah. Also, too, that noise that I'm hearing, that little wiring in the motor, I got used to hearing it, but somebody else heard it and said I'm not supposed to be hearing that noise.
Which noise?
Does everything sound okay to you right now?
I mean, I hear like a little rattle. But
That right there, like a... Yeah, that noise right there, like the... I don't know. Way too hot to be down here without no air for sure, y'all.
oh, zip tie up over there.
Got that old school mower out here. They got a lot of toys out here, man. Let's see what's going on with this AC. Ooh, I feel it now. Most definitely can feel it. Ooh, I feel it for sure. Ooh, yeah, man, I almost didn't even make it up here. I'm so glad I made it up here, man, because, oh yeah, your boy got air. I'm out here. Summertime. Let's do it. AC, let's do it. Man, y'all pull up, man. Bethesda Automotive. What's it, 1807 Rancier? 1807 Rancier, that's his address, right? 1807? 1807 Rancier, man. Pull up. They getting you together. If y'all, hey, if you in Texas, you know what's going on, man. It's all we done had 90s already though, for real though. So y'all know what's up. I'm blown too. My boy got me in the game. It's popping. Let me see what's going on. He's sitting there blowing. Now what was going on with it? It's most definitely blowing now. You do hear the rattle?
Yeah.
I think the person who told me says it was one of my pulleys, something pulley, but I did replace one of them before.
Yeah. Something in the back. I mean, that could be anything.
Yeah. I get so used to hearing, I never even paid it no mind, but when he said it, it stood out. Now I can hear it.
I would just leave it alone.
What was going on with the air? Because I can feel it in there blowing now.
Yeah.
What was going on?
Well, this connector was loose, and I pulled it this way a little bit. Now the compressor's kicking on, and then underneath there, somebody had, like where the blend door actuator is that switches everything. It was all zip tied.
So it wouldn't move.
So I cut the zip tie and flipped them so it would blow out.
Wow. We most definitely needed that. Last summer was too hot.
Now you have AC.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Appreciate it. On everything. So it had Freon in it and everything already? It just wasn't blowing. Wow. Oh, that's perfect.
The clutch wasn't kicking in. Now it's on.
Mm-hmm.
Hit that AC button, see if it shuts off.
Got action. That's perfect.
Kick it back on.
So,
Is that AC button back on? Shut it off. It's on? Here.
can you feel it blowing in there? I do feel it blowing. You said you got snowballs blowing in yours, right? Hey, another thing too. Remember I told you my phone died when we was in recording in the truck? All the footage I had of the glass and everything didn't even record. The memory died.
Oh, there you go.
I heard it say fuse, and I heard something click.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Don't shut it off.
Just leave it on. So what do you think? It's a shortage somewhere?
Something's loose somewhere. All he did was grab that fuse box.
So they got the fuse box came.
I heard him say fuse, and I looked up. He said, "There it go."
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
This.
I don't touch it. If it do echo, just touch it.
Play with this over here.
Yeah, I say touch it.
I'll probably turn it off though, dude. I'm just gonna leave it on.
That's good.
It's summertime anyway. I'm gonna need it. For sure. All right. Yep. Appreciate it. So now I got air. I'm gonna roll these windows up real quick. I'm probably gonna have to leave them down sometimes when I'm recording for y'all if y'all can't see. But man, we got air. It's blowing. Hopefully it ain't too loud for y'all. It's cool. Ice box up in here. And now I'm about to slide over here to charged up cuts and check on the gang over there. Make sure everything with them. And if you ain't already subscribed, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. You feel me? Thumbs up on the video if y'all really supporting the movement, you know, and tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Get the word out. But I appreciate y'all, and I'll tap in with y'all next time. Peace. Got another toy back here, huh?
He needed for the tag light. His cover came out.
Oh. Okay. He needs one?
Need two of them.
If I'm gonna get a part, you want to look at this real quick? Because it's right here on RAINSTORM, man. Y'all know what it is, man. 1807, man. Right across the street from Byrider. Y'all know it.